very warm welcome to all of you. I really look forward to this discussion today, and I'm hoping that we will find lots of challenges posed to each other. This is supposed to be a community thing, and it's a subject which it's just wide open out there for people to talk about, share their views, because there's no written script. People are discovering their way along when it comes to employer branding, when it comes to the way they recruit, when it comes to how employees should be behaving on this platform. So, just about any subject that comes to your mind can become a topic of huge learning and debate. When it comes to employer branding, in fact, I was just discussing a little ahead in the earlier part of the evening when with Shilpa and I said, what comes to your mind when you talk of employer branding? The Army is looking for talent, Army is looking for you, the HCL campaign on air, but increasingly as you go forward in time, a lot of it is happening within the community in the way which probably is reaching out very individually to people about what companies are doing, what they have to offer for individuals. So, you name it, each area is, bubbling over with a huge potential. So, Chris had very interesting thoughts about how, actually how the young people are very with it with this platform, but companies don't allow people, they don't even allow access to these platforms. A large part of the companies don't allow, and some of them are just kind of loosening up. So maybe you want to share some thoughts, some top thoughts. I'll go by each one of you to share some of the thoughts that you have, Chris, that you want to talk about.
Last year, most companies were not allowing I'm talking of software companies, they were not allowing their employees to go to social media or even to Yahoo Mail and Google Mail. But recently we see things have changed. Infosys under the new management after Vishal Sikka has come, has permitted it. Basically, the millennium people who are working in these companies and who form the majority of these companies, in the workforce in these companies, they are used to social media. And at least 2 to 3 hours a day they spend on social media. So if the company is not offering them this opportunity, sometimes they look for jobs outside the company. So I think what Vishal Sikka has done, many of these other MNC companies have done it earlier, and I think this trend will continue.